judgment. Wherever your name has been submitted for destruction, Holy Ghost fire, destroy them, destroy them, destroy them, destroy them, destroy them, destroy them, destroy them. Wherever, every evil judgment over your life, fire, 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 fire. Evil judgment over your business that is not allowing that business to move. Oh, fire, fire over that business, over that life. Fire, close your eyes. Fire, fire. The Lord wants to work on you. Don't be distracted. The Lord wants to work on you. Fire, fire, fire. As many as have touched your business with evil hand, as many as have given you evil money so that you will not move forward in life, I am here today to set you free. I am here today to set you free. I am here today to change the story. Now, every evil money that is functioning over your business, I command. Now, evil money that you collected with your hand, I set that money on fire. I set the effect, the evil effect of that money. The evil effect. Hey, fire, 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 fire. Hey, Jesus. Let that business be lifted with the hand of fire, the hand of fire. Enter the business. Hey, fire. I set that business free right now. Come on, mighty name of Jesus. Let the business return to life. Return. Remove. Now. By the power of the Holy Ghost. 1, 2, 3. Come on, be lifted now. Every hand of sickness, every hand of disease, every hand of untimely death that has been laid upon you in the dream. I break that hand into pieces. Oh yeah, break away. Release her now. There was a time you had a dream. You saw two men. It's as if they removed the head and put another person's head there. Yes, sir. Since that time, you have labored as a man to meet up with destiny. But because it's another person's head you are carrying all about, the success has refused to come. But today, because the Lord has used your neighbor for you to help you out of this predicament, let the angels of God, that's your glory that was taken away from you, the glory that was taken away, because you know, Lord, I pray today, let the glory return. Amen. Lord, you have used me for others to give them back their glory. Give him his glory today. Amen. That he will live the rest of his life to remember God. Amen. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. The glory that was taken away. Oh yeah, return. The glory that was taken away. Oh yeah, return. You can take any form to take a man's glory away. Return. This is an international glory. I can see it very well. International glory. It was taken away and given another one. In the name of Jesus. So that's international glory. Oh yeah, return. The international glory, Lord, let it return. In the name of Jesus. Lord, let it return. With your hand, return. Let it return. That international glory, I command it to return. Yes, you must return. Can you see? Look at the way he's turning his head. Remove his hand. Remove his hand from that head. So that we will not remove the head physically. Return. The leg that was taken away before. is returning now. Without leg, how will you play and succeed? The leg is returning. That's why he's scratching the leg. His right leg is just returning. It's returning. Oh yeah, return. Return with golden boots. Return. In Jesus' name. If you know what they have done to this one, if you know what they have done to him, you are surprised. I speak into your life from today. I release the word from God unto you from today. Your way to prosperity is open. Amen. No more struggling. Amen. You will meet with your helper. Amen.